Okay, I'm gonna ground Sid the Sloth 2009, because he is such a troublemaker. Ha 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 ha. Hey there Sid the Sloth 2009. You are grounded, 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 grounded forever. Now go to your room before. Yay. I've grounded Sid the Sloth 2009. Yay. I've grounded Sid the Sloth 2009. Maybe I'm gonna get an award for this. There he is, original Sid. Grounded me for no reason. And you deserve it. Especially for all of you troubles you've caused over the years. Now go to your damn room before I. And Nemo. Good job. Thank you for grouping Sid 2009. He deserves to be grounded. You know that he's evil. And allow me to call your father to tell him to ungrounded you for this. Hello Marlin the clownfish. What did the sloth? Your son Nemo just grounded my troublemaker Sid 2009. Wow, really? He is so gonna be ungrounded. Okay, thank you. Hey Nemo, go home. Your father wants to talk to you seriously. Wow, Nemo, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for grounding Sid the Sloth 2009. You know that he's evil. And not only that, he also ruined the props as the sloth. That's it. You are ungrounded, 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 ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want. Yay. Thanks, Dad. You're the best.